The cryptocurrency market has experienced a surge of rug pulls this week, exit scams, and hacks, causing increased concern within the crypto community. Surprisingly, these losses have surpassed the concerns and damages resulting from decentralized finance hacks this week. According to a recent report from Web3 bug bounty platform ImmuneFi, Web3 platforms have experienced a loss of over $1.2 billion in 2023 from January to August. In August alone, Web3 platforms lost almost $23.4 million. Interestingly, the surge in losses during August predominantly affected projects hosted on the newly launched Ethereum Layer 2-based network. Platypus, a decentralized finance that utilizes liquidity pools for trading digital assets, experienced 3 flash loan attacks on October 12th, resulting in a total loss of $2.23. This incident marked the 3rd time Platypus had been exploited within 2023, following losses of $8.5 million in February and $157,000 in July. And that's why we had to prove of a piece of concern with Reed also. Platypus Finance loses $2 Nolans in a latest security breach. The attack in February particularly impacted its stablecoin USP, causing it to depeg from $1 to 48 cents. In response to these vulnerabilities, Platypus promptly suspended its pools and established a compensation portal for the victims affected by the February attack. Alameda Research, a hedge fund associated with FTX, reportedly suffered losses of over $190 million due to avoidable scams. These revelations come from Aditya Bharadwaj, a former engineer who turned whistleblower. Bharadwaj highlighted how the fund's swift decision-making led to frequent security breaches. Another case involved Alameda's questionable involvement in North America came here entitled The Vials What We're Doing. It was called 8A Cruise and the Unpressing, a blockchain project resulting in losses exceeding $40 million. And we've got amazing Reed. All right.
$110 million in Bitcoin found by liquidators, still including public areas of making a prince. You can get a
Bharadwaj exposed inadequate industry standard practices, including insufficient code testing and insecure key storage, which contributed to multiple security breaches. In one instance alone, these breaches resulted in losses surpassing $50 million. Gaux, a self-sovereign identity protocol, has recently announced its plan to compensate users affected by a phishing attack. On October 6th, the company will provide 110% reimbursement in Tether to those who lost funds during the incident. Approximately 1,120 users were impacted, resulting in losses exceeding $396,000. Gaux blamed the breach on an impersonator gaining unauthorized access through their domain registrar .net. In response, Gaux has partnered with security firms to aid in fund recovery and implemented enhanced security measures. Following the hack, there was a slight decrease in the value of the GAL token. However, it rebounded over the weekend. In the first half of 2023, Upbit, a South Korean cryptocurrency exchange, faced an astounding number of hacking attempts, exceeding 159,000, marking a significant rise from previous years. Following a $50 million exploit in 2019, the exchange took decisive action by bolstering its security measures and proudly declared freedom from any further cyber breaches. And then Reed also Upbit hit by a $3.4 billion fake Aptos token scam. However, it temporarily suspended Aptos token services due to a fraudulent token scam. In response to these incidents, a lawmaker vehemently urged the government to enhance testing and supervision of virtual asset exchanges. It is worth noting that other crypto exchanges also experienced hacks in September, resulting in substantial financial losses. On September 25th, 2023, HTX, a crypto exchange of Huobi Global, fell victim to a hacker who managed to steal 5,000 ETH, equivalent to $8 million. In response, HTX took proactive measures and reached out to the hacker. They proposed a solution offering a 5% bounty amounting to $400,000 with no threats of legal action if the hacker returned 95% of the funds by October 2. Surprisingly enough, the hacker agreed and cooperated with HTX. We'd also just in, HTX Global Hacker makes full refund of stolen funds. The exchange expressed gratitude towards the industry for its assistance during this challenging time. It's worth noting that this incident was among several hacking incidents in Q3 of 2023. They have been experiencing heightened security challenges, and InBills, Gappies is trying. A scammer managed to steal approximately $385,000 worth of Ether from 8 users on friend.tech. The method employed was SIM swapping their phone numbers and gaining access to their crypto and wallets. Friend.tech is an online platform that facilitates the purchase of keys for chatting with others. Lead also, FriendTech suffers data leak exposing 101K user wallets. The target victims were users who had publicly mentioned their keys on Twitter. Manifold Trading issued a warning, expressing concern that around $20 million in funds belonging to Friend.tech that could potentially be at risk, and strongly recommended implementing two-factor authentication 2FA